Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to my channel. This is Mary Catherine Loves Cats and I got this box from Ipsy. So this is from the Mega Drop Shop. It took a little while to get this time around. Sometimes you get things fast and sometimes you don't. But this is the Ipsy Ultimate Beauty Bundle. It was $30 and what it is are 4 bags, 4 monthly bags. So there's 3 monthly bags and then there's one that's a mystery bag, but they're all in the Glam Bag price range. So they are $13 plus the $2 shipping, so you pay $15 a bag for these if you order them monthly, but I'm getting 4 of them for $30, so it's like getting 2 free. But this is how it came. There was a little bit of bubble paper in there, but there's this one and this one and this one and this one. So let's see what's going on here. I might have to stop and untie things because everything, see, now this isn't in a drawstring bag, this is in a sealed bag. This one is April of 2023. So let's see what's in here. I like this bag. I don't get the Glam Bag anymore. I haven't gotten it for a while, but I've seen this bag. It's cute. Oh, okay, this is blue on this side. Oh, this is just a ribbon. It's weird. I thought it was different than a ribbon. It does say Ipsy on it. It's cute, summery. What did I say this was? April. And on the back it says, look good, do good. So, and it's not lined. It's just a, oh, what do you call this kind of fabric? I forget what you call that right now, but it's like a cotton, a hard cotton. It's just a cute little bag. Okay, so let's see what's in here. There should be 5 items in the Glam Bag, all, you know, deluxe samples. Sometimes you get a full-size product. So there are actually, in this bag, I have 6 items. So let's see what I got. I've got Shades by Shan. This is, I have to get my magnifying glass, everything's so tiny. This is called Yay Yay. And it is, I'm sure it's a lippy. Can I tell? No. It doesn't say on there. Shades by Shan. Yeah, it looks like a lippy. I'm not going to open it because it's not, it's just like a cover would go over something else, and I have too many things like that. So that'll go in my giveaway pile. And I got the Balance Me Pure Skin Face Wash. Now that's a decent size. You know, it's a deluxe sample, but it's a Pure Skin Face Wash. It says, Balance Me is not my favorite product line, but this looks like a good size. I do like face washes, so I haven't tried their face wash. I've tried some creams that, you know, were not impressive to me. Then in here also is Goldie MD. These are always nice to get. This is the Bright Eyes. Now, personally, this is, to me, the proper size for an eye treatment because it'll still take you a while to use this size. And when you get a big container of it, it can take forever and you wonder if it's spoiled. This is Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. And Goldie MD, we know, is rather expensive. Then there's this little pack. Oh, this is a Cella. This is just, oh, it's different, a little bit different. It says, Hello Beautiful. And now usually the Cellas are, there's a gold and a brown and like a light colored, beigey kind of color. And these are a little bit darker, which is nice. There's 2 shimmers and 2 mattes, and they're nice dark browns. Very pretty, very pretty. So there's that. Whoops, dropped it, but it didn't break, thank goodness. And it came in this nice little sack here. And then there's this little sack of 2 items. So let's see what this is. I have to cut it. Now, I just had the scissor. How do I lose that? All right, Camille left, so maybe I can get some things done. All right, so I'm not sure why this is together, if this was a little bonus. It didn't say on the packaging that there would be a bonus. This is LXMI. Let me show it to you and then I'll see what it says. Pure Nilotica Melts. So what is that? 100%, all right, massage into the skin were needed or used as an overnight facial mask. Okay. LXMI. I have heard of this before, but I don't know that I've ever had it or tried it. It's sealed, of course. I want to smell it. But see, now this kind of thing I think is great. If you're going to travel, you put it in your travel bag, and then you have a little something in case you forget your stuff. And then there is Playlist. I've had sheet masks by this brand, and this it says Handle It hand cream in raspberry macaron. Now that sounds nice. This is a nice size for your purse. I like a small size to carry. Oh, it smells good though. I can smell it. It's very sweet, but this is a nice. I like this kind of a thing, and nice to carry with you in your bag. Love that. So that is my first bag. I think that was great. So pretty much I paid $7.50 for this, and I got 6 nice items. So next up, I have the June bag. The June bag is this one. Okay. Now look at how that is. It has the pink bag in there, and it's all in. I don't know if they just. It's hard to get these untied. I feel like I'm Fab Fit Fun mystery bundles. I don't know if they keep this like this and then they put it together. I don't know how they do it, but there's some things in here, and then there's some things outside of it. So this is the bag. Now I remember this June bag. A lot of people didn't care for it. It's meshy, which, you know, for summer I think that's nice. This is nice because it feels like it's very waterproof. It's meshy. It's not, you maybe can see, it's not holes, even though it looks that way. So nothing's going to fall out of there. It's just a nice little bag. This is like a pleather, so it's very washable, and some cute summer colors. So, and then let's see what's in here. And they seal these bags. I can't get them open, but I do like to use these bags for friend mail and things. They come in handy. Okay, so this has 5 items in this bag. Lots of packaging going on here. Okay, so one of my very favorite things, and I'm almost out of it, is the Moisture Boost Cooling Marine Concentrate Serum from Tony Moly. This cute thing here. It's the whale, and I do like that. I thought it was the eye cream, but it's sealed, of course, but I'll have to, it's a serum though, it says. Moisture Boost Cooling Marine Concentrate Serum. Okay, I have the whale, and when I get these little samples, I squeeze them into the whale. And they're usually an eye, very nice cooling eye. So this, I don't know that I've ever had that one before. And then I have the brand Polar. This is Ice Pure. It is Gentle Scrub. Oh, this is a gentle scrub with Arctic cotton, it says. So the Polar brand, they use Arctic water for their products. So nice and clean and fresh and nice and very nice. So, and then we have a Clearly Brilliant Tinted Lip from Mail. I'm not sure how to, I never knew how to say that. Mail. It's in fuchsia. Let's see if I can get it open. Camille, would you sit down on top of everything? Sure, go ahead. Okay. Oh, this is, I've had this before. Now, I don't know if I've had this color before, but these are nice crayons. She's right here, so I'm not going to open it up because it'll get fur on it. But this is beautiful. This is a summer color, so now it's in the summer bag, so that is very pretty, and that looks like a full size to me. See, these bags don't come with the little cards or anything, but that looks like a full size to me. And then I have, also by Tony Moly, this is very nice, the Vital Vita 12. This is a jelly cleanser. This is very nice. I do like that cleanser. I've used it before. And then we have the Real Her brand Ultimate Glow Getter Cheek Trio. This is very pretty. I've had this before as well, and it is very pretty. And I don't think it's necessarily full size, but it looks, it's a good size. It's, definitely a nice size deluxe sample, unless it is a full size. It's very possible, because they do give you some full sizes sometimes. See how nice it is? It's just a pretty marble looking plastic. And when you open it, it has a mirror on one side, and then it says Blessed, Goddess, and Incredible. So you've got your bronzer, your blush and your highlighter all in one package, which is nice to carry with you. So the Cheek Trio, very nice. So would you call that full size, y'all? I don't know. I'd have to look it up on the Real Her website to see. But that was a nice bag. Okay, and then my third bag is this July 2023. And in here is the refreshments bag. Instead of it's this refreshments bag. This is actually very pretty. But this comes with refreshments, and it's nice drawstring and all. Just satiny, real pretty with pink with yellow flowers on it. It's hard to see in the glare. But that is nice. And oh, I've got a full-size product in here for sure. Oh my goodness, y'all. Okay, real big, real big. Okay, let's just start off with a full-size product. Well, I think it's full-size. This is the brand Levito, which is a very nice skin for your body. Inspired by nature. Let me show it to you and then I'll read it. It says aromatic body lotion in musk and coconut. Oh, how nice. I'm sure it's sealed. It's sealed. I can't really smell it, but this is, Neil, don't do that. This is 4.05 ounces, 120 mLs. So that is definitely full size. Very nice. And I have Pure Lease. This is the Yuzu and Orange Moisturizer. Resurfaces, boosts collagen, and brightens for all skin types. Pure Lease is great stuff. Hey, I think I have, oh wow, this is a nice bag. This is a nice one. Okay, I have this from Shayna B, Miami. Let's see what that is. If it's a blush or a bronzer or a eyeshadow, I don't know. Oh, how pretty. You know, she's got the flamingos. That's a nice eye. There's a shimmer and then a matte. So a nice eye there, just a little something with the pretty flamingos in there. Isn't that pretty? Okay, Camille, she found something to chew on. And then we have this. What is that? Let me see. Surmedic brand. Perfection 100 all-in-one facial eye cream, it says. It has 15 peptides. Now the Surmedic, I think that was at one time, you know it's sealed of course, was at, you could get it only from your doctor. And now it's, you know, and then it went out to the world. So that's, now that's a big tube of eye cream. That'll last a while. And then look at this, y'all. I got some NARS. What is this? I'm excited. Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. Now that's definitely small. Okay, Camille. That's definitely I thought it was going to be a lippy, but it is a, go on, love. Well, it is a lip pencil. It's not a liner. I was thinking it was a liner. So there's the color. That's a little too maybe chocolatey for me, but that is very nice. NARS. I'm excited to get NARS. And I guess that is a sample size, but it looks like a good size to me. It is pretty. Might be a good winter color. Very nice. This was a good bag. That was July. And then the last bag I have, this one, is called the Wild Thing Mystery. So it can't, I don't know when it came out, but it came out sometime in the last few months, I guess. Let's see what's in there. This bag is pretty. Here is the bag. This is nice. It's, you know, a pleather, and it's woven, but it's not really woven, you know. But this one's nice because it's lined. I like a lined bag, and it has a nice strap that you can carry like this. I'm a little disappointed there's no Ipsy tag anywhere. It's not on the handle either. It would be nice if they had stamped it Ipsy or something, just, you know. But isn't that a pretty bag? That's a nice one. That's a little valuable. It's got a little value to it. And there's something, and they got me the pink bag again, and there's some things inside and there's some things outside. So, y'all, this was $30 for all this. I think this was a good bargain. Okay, this has some of the same things. It looks like they have things together and then they, I don't know, they just throw things in. Because here I got that same set now. This is the LXMI overnight cream. And then this is that hand cream. It's in the raspberry macaron. See that I like that size. So this was in a little bag together. So, and then this has a Balance Me product. This is the AHA Glow Mask. So what does that mean, glow mask? A triple action chemical exfoliation mask with skin brightening fruit acids to deeply purify, plump, and reveal a natural, more youthful, luminous glow in less than 15 minutes. So smooth over your face and leave up to 15 minutes. And then, so it is a mask like that. So that's a nice thing. And then we have something in a little package here. What are you doing, honey bun? What you doing? She's just walking through everything. Oops, this is in a thing. I can't get it open. Usually there's a, oh, it's already open. Let's see what that is. Okay, that's a Shades by Shan. It might be the same one now, because sometimes when you get these bundles, you'll have a lot of similar things. Let's see if it's the same. No, it's not. It's a highlighter. Very nice. See, that's nice to carry together in one of these bags. Your couple of Shayna, or Shades by Shan items. Well, that other one wasn't that brand. Anyway, then we have the Auto Balm. This stuff is so cute. The Auto Balm Girl Powder, it says. This is a blush. And before I ruin the package, I learned the last time it opens. It's a magnet, and it opens like this, and that's a really pretty blush. And look, it's all, looks like it's from the 50s. The how it's decorated. Isn't that cute? And their packaging is all like, it's cardboard, so it's easy to, what's the word? It won't be around forever. So it's good for the environment, better for the environment. So that is what I got, y'all. 4 bags of fun stuff that I will be sharing. And yeah, thank you all for stopping by and see what I got from the Mega Drop Shop. I didn't get all that much this time, but I did get a few things, and I've shown you some, I think, and if not, I might have more videos out there. You never know. You never know. So y'all, thanks for stopping by and count your blessings. Good to see you. Bye-bye.